What are you doing?
Don't tell me the slime. I'm playing slime with the pink.
Do you know we're making a video on YouTube? This is on YouTube. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, because this is like a nice texture.
Liddy, say hi.
Hi, I like slime.
What are you doing?
Slime. Me too. Well, I was playing slime and I'm going to make a bubble. Watch. And it will make a sound. Look. Watch. Look at my show. This is going to be a bigger bubble. And also I can make a bubble. Me too. Also mine are going to be so big. I think they're going to be.
Wow, look at that. Come on.
One
One more time.
One more time?
Try one more time.
Actually, I better do this and then work. And then I think mine is going to be squish it, squish it. Squish it, squish it. Now we can make a bubble. Watch and there you go.
Good job.
That looks like a
What
big
about you, Liddy? Don't put the slime on your clothes.
This is pretty nice. So you guys, I better put the slime everywhere. Yeah, so I can turn to the thing. Because I think this is going to be but first I need to put this.
Why did
this
they
is,
throw this there?
so I better spread it out a lot of times. But this is, and I better put one more bubble. And make noise. Look, watch.
Mommy's got upset with the trash can.
You guys, this is look this.